Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of the American Express art card. This one is the abstract design. It is by an American artist. Her name is Julie Mehretu. Julie Mehretu is famous for a lot of her abstract designs on like a larger scale. So American Express hired two designers to get these two cards done. I have the abstract design by Julie Mehretu. My lady has her card coming in, is the one with the flowers on there. So I'll be unboxing that one after this video. It hasn't come in yet. That one has some type of delay on it. This one came in pretty quickly, as you guys saw. FedEx saw overnight. So I wanted to unbox this one. I like this card very, very much. Again, I know a lot of you were saying, with the platinum card. So for example, with the OG, this is the OG. Well, not, this isn't the OG, but this is because the OG is plastic, but this one is the first metal credit card from American Express Platinum. It has that platinum, so it demands some kind of respect, but this just makes it look a lot better to me. I love the design. To see the floral design in person. What do you guys think about this one? If you want to order this, all you have to do is go to the American Express website under card replacement and click order replacement card, and you should be able to pick the design you want. That's what I did. If you don't have this card and you want to get this card for not just the design reasons or because it's metal, but because this card, in my opinion, is the best travel card out there, click the link down below if you do want this card so you can start enjoying all of the benefits that the American Express Platinum card has, regardless of this card or the floral print or the original American Express Platinum card. Like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe, share. This is the first unboxing of this card on YouTube, so give me a thumbs up for that. I got it to you guys pretty quickly, and I'll be doing another unboxing when the floral print comes in a couple days. Be safe, and I'll talk to you soon.